Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's in my freelance makeup kit or my home studio kit. There were so many people who were requesting me for a long time just to show what's in my kit. So today I'm going to show you in depth, starting from lash to all of the items I have. So at first in this box I have all of my lashes. This whole box is like full of lashes. I have all different kinds, Kiss, Ardell, Salon Perfect, Ilar and all that stuff. Then for here, I have all of my foundations. The first one brand I have is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD. I have 7 shades of them. Then I have a MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Then I have the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Foundation. In here, I have the L'Oreal Total Coverage Foundation. In here, I have the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. In between, I have the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. And here I have all of my Too Faced Born This Way foundations. And I have one Makeup Forever Ultra HD as well. And then in this next box, I have my sunscreen here. That's the Neutrogena Sunsafe Skin 60+. Then I have my Milani Prime Shield. I have Rimmel Fix and Perfect. I have MAC Strobe Cream. Then I have my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Then I have the Bare Minerals. I have the Pore Professional Primer. And another one I have, this is like a highlighter kind of stuff. So I have this one here. Then in here I have like 3 different NYX blushes. The shades are like Hamptons. Then I have the shade Pink the Town, and I have another shade. This is Amber. In this one, this is a Clinique small quart. This one is a like soft ochre MAC paint pot. I use that for my eyeshadow base. Then here I have a MAC eyeshadow. This one is a Isabel Deepened eyeshadow, and then I have a Wet n Wild as well. Here I have 2 of my favorite eyeliners. The first one is the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. And the second one I have is the Inglot Gel Liner. Here I have another eyeshadow. This is the Urban Decay one. Here I have a foiled eyeshadow. This is a Makeup Revolution Gold. Here I have all my concealers. I use like all the mixtures of Maybelline Fit Me, LA Girl Pro Coverage HD. I have Wet n Wild as well. I have Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So I use all of them for my color correcting and contouring stuff. Then here I have my what's that called, the glitter stuffs. Here I have 3 BH Cosmetics glitters. These are like 3 shades I have. Then I have NYX glitters as well. I have Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter as well. And these are the liquid glitter liners from NYX. Then I have a liquid shadow. This one is from ColourPop, and the shade is Wake of Fame. This is the ColourPop glitter eyeshadow. In here I have all of my mascaras. This one is a Maybelline Lash Sensational. I have Lash Paradise, L'Oreal Telescopic, Rimmel. Then I have another L'Oreal, another Rimmel one. These are my glues. This one is from Ardell and this one is from Duo. I use both of them. This one is a glitter primer. This one is from BH Cosmetics. On the next box here I have like all of my lip liners. Those are like mixtures of nude and pinks. Here I have my toner, my moisturizer. I use the Clinique one. Then I have one of my scrub. This is a clean and clear scrub. So I have this one in here. Then I have like my bronzers. I have the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Then I have my Rimmel Natural bronzer. I have Isabel Deepened, and the last one I have is the Airspan Loose Powder. In here I have my Hourglass Luminous Lighting Powder. Then I have my Bahama Mama. This one is the 30S Pro Glow to Go, and the last one I have is a Manizer Sisters Highlighter Palette. I love this palette. This is a must for the makeup artist. In the corners I have, this one is my like the brush changer, the color changer, quick color changer. Then I have here all my setting sprays. This one is from Revolution Pro Fix. This one is a Revolution Pro Fix. Then I have this one is my like 99% alcohol. This one is my like benign final seal. I use the small bottles because these are like very travel friendly. I have the RCMA no color translucent powder. I have Max Fix Plus, 2 of them. Then I have a Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade NC42. I have a Bare Minerals Invisible Glow. And the last one I have is the Wet n Wild Contour Kit. Then here comes my lipstick swatches. Like for lipstick, I have like whole different bunch of lipsticks. In this box in the corner, these are like all MAC lipsticks. I just like depotted them in this one. So these are like all the various different shades in here. Then in here I have my like eye essentials, my scotch tapes, my side tapes, a brow razor, my tweezers, scissors, and like all the stuff, lash curler. And here for the lipsticks, I have my NYX lipstick. This is a soft matte lip cream. Then I have a slick lipstick. These are my Milani lipsticks, Amore Matte. All of these shades are from Wet n Wild Catsuit. They're like Maybelline Super Stiff lipsticks. Here I have like 2 of my glosses. These are from Marc Jacobs. I have one of the Kat Von D Lolita, and this one is from Too Faced Latex. In here I have my another eye essentials. I have my kajals, liners, like Marc Jacobs highliner, NYX liner. Then I have my eyebrow setting gel and all the stuff. My white liner from NYX as well. I have a sharpener here as well. Now it comes to the like the eyeshadow palettes. For my eyeshadow palettes, the first one I have this one is for the brow palette. This is the BH Studio Pro. So I use this palette for like brows. Then I have my contour palette. This one is from BH Cosmetics as well. Then for my eyeshadow palettes, I have the first one from Morphe Jaclyn Hill. This one is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And the down, I have the Morphe 39 A Dare to Create palette. This one is like the 39 A Dare to Create. I really love this palette. This is an amazing palette though. Then the next one I have is like the BH Cosmetics Supernova palette. These are like the glittery shades. Then I have my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette for my color, like eye looks and all that stuff. Then I have my another BH Cosmetics palette. This is the Novo Neutrals 26 colors palette. I do really love this palette. This has like all the red shades in here, golds, and like copper shades. It has like 5 blushes as one, so it's fine for the blushes. And I have another BH Cosmetics palette. This one is the Neutrals Eyes 28 color palettes. I do really love the BH Cosmetics brands because they're affordable and they're good quality as well. So I use like all of the BH Cosmetics products I love in my kit. Then here I have, I'm going to show it later. So here I have my another contour kit. This one is from Anastasia. This is the powder contour kit. And I have a cream contour kit from Anastasia as well. Then I have my Modern Renaissance palette. In here I have my Too Faced chocolate bonbon palette. This one is the perfect nude palette for my clients. Then I have another Revolution palette. This one is the Neutrals versus Neutrals. This palette is like more similar to the Modern Renaissance palette. This has like the very similar colors from Modern Renaissance, but definitely there's a big difference in Modern Renaissance and this palette. But I do really love this palette as well. For my highlighter palette, I use this BH Cosmetics Spotlight highlight. These has like all the nice highlight shades for all of the skin tones. So I do really love this palette as well. Then in here I have my Creative Cosmetics. This is a glitter palette. These are like for my brides if they want like glitter on their eyes. This one is the glitter palette. Then in here I have another blush palette. This one is from Revolution as well. This is their Sugar and Spice. And I have another palette in here. This one is from BH Cosmetics as well. This is the Royal Affair. This one is a nice palette too. So these are like my all the different things for makeup. I do use the airbrush kit as well. For my airbrush kit, I use the Temp to Ear. And I just got the samples from like Take Out Pink airbrush. I'm going to try them and let you know how it works. So these are like the new samples to try on. For my travel, I use the this like trolley, makeup trolley. This one is from Kame Professional USA. I have like the two different sizes of them. The top portion, I have all my hair accessories and extensions and all that stuff. That one is like downstairs, it's fine. And this one I use for my makeup stuffs. This one is like a big bag. So when I open it up, it has like my brush set in here. So it's like I use the BH Studio Pro brush set, and I have like all the mixtures of Morphe and MAC brushes in here as well. So this one is my brush, like all the brushes I have. Then here I have like all my skin essentials, like my micellar water, my beauty blender, maybe a moisturizer, hand sanitizer, deodorant, and all the stuff. And here I have my like the Temp to Ear kit. I use this one for my airbrush. This one is the airbrush machine. And in here I have like all of my airbrush foundations. These are the Temp to foundations. And on the other side of this small bag, I have like my cleaner, airbrush cleaner, sorry. And I have like all my bronzers and blushes and highlighters in here. So I use this one for my airbrush. When I open it up, the down portion, it has like all the drawers. I use that when I travel. I just take all my products I need and I just fill it up when I travel. So these are like all my things for traveling. So this is like another time. This is like all the room tour of my kit. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care, bye bye, and see you soon.